Hey, this is Elisa with WTI.
Hey everyone, if you're like my husband and I and know how important protein is, then stay tuned. I've got some amazing news about these protein bars. These are by David, and you won't believe it. They have 28 grams of protein in just one bar. Can you imagine? These aren't your typical sugary bars. They're packed with nutrients and have no sugar at all. They're so tasty and flavorful, and they'll keep you full for hours. I love finding something that's good for my body and helps me meet my protein goal every day. The texture is incredible. They're soft and crunchy at the same time with the delightful chocolate and peanut butter flavor. It's like eating a dessert, but it's actually good for you. And guess what? They only have 150 calories. They're perfect for pre workout or after workout or a travel snack. Get them now and you won't regret it, I promise.
And that's my point of view.